Iziphakamiso zentela ezimenyezelwe uNgqongqoshe uMboweni ihlose ukufukula umnotho ontengayo wezwe, ukugqugquzela abathengi ukuba basebenzise imali. Enkulumweni yakhe umangaze abaningi khathi exegisa ngo2 billion wamarandi intela ekhokhwa ngabasebenzayo. Lokhu kuzozuzisa abahola imiholo ephansi.
Uhulumeni ukhethe ukwenyusa isamba semali eholwa abantu abangayikhokhi intela sisuka ku79,000 siya ku83,100 wamarandi.
I don't know where people who talked about VAT increase got that from. Indeed, there is some real personal income relief. This budget means that a teacher who earns on average 460,000 rand a year will see their taxes reduced by nearly 3,400 rand a year.
Yize abahlaziyi bezomnotho bebeqagule ukuthi intela yempahla ethengwayo iVAT izokwenyuka ngephesenti elilodwa, umnyango kaMgcinimafa ukhethe ukuyiyeka emaphesentini ali15. Intela yophethiloli izokwenyuka ngo16 cents, kuthi intela yesikhwama iRoad Accident Fund yenyuke ngo9 cents kusukela ngoMbasa. Ibhokisi logwayi lizokwenyuka ngo74 cents, ibhodlela likagoloko lona lizokwenyuka ngo2.89 cents, kuthi ikani likabhiya lenyuke ngo8 cents.
Because no significant new taxes have been introduced and the minister has given some compensation for fiscal drag, that's which is inflation, that's a big relief for the average household who have more money in their pockets to spend. And I think that does help in terms of helping to stimulate the economy.
Isamba sentela obekumele iqoqwe singaphansi ngo63 billion wamarandi nokuphezulu kakhulu kuno52 billion wamarandi owaqaqulwe ngonyaka odlule. Lokhu kudala ukwenyuka kwesibalo sabantu abangasebenzi kanye nokuntengantenga komnotho.
Tax revenue comes from three driving forces. The first is, in any given economy, there's tax policy. That's the level of tax that you pay, whether you're VAT or CIT or PIT or any of the other taxes. The second is the level of compliance in society. And the third is the capability of SARS to administer the laws. Now, one would be tempted every time when you need more revenue to raise taxes. But the more money we take out of the system, it in fact then begins to reverse the impact on the economy.
Uhulumeni uveze nezinhlelo zokunciphisa intela yenzuzo eyenziwa yinkampani isuka emaphesentini angama28 ngemizamo yokuheha abatshali imali nokusimamisa umnotho wezwe.